Hello YouTube, how are you? This is the Asian Crypto Geek bringing to you the latest cryptocurrency news from around the world. You're either here because you've already invested in cryptocurrency and want to know what's the latest ins and outs in the crypto world, or you're new and you want to work your way around it. There's some very controversial news coming out of the US as there have been tons of fines for comparison site ICOs for bribery. Last week, the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) announced it has filed multiple charges against UK-based Coinschedule. Now, what are ICOs? The Coinschedule website was active in the United States from 2016 to August 2019. Initial coin offerings (ICO) were reviewed on this website. ICOs were very popular especially in 2017 and can be compared to a crowdfund for projects. Only you don't deposit money, but you deposit cryptocurrency. As an investor, you can, for example, invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum and receive other altcoins in return. Coinschedule seemed objective and reliable when it comes to filtering scams and the normal projects, but the SEC has a different opinion. The SEC believes that Coinschedule was bribed by projects. According to the SEC's order, the platform claimed to list or profile the best token offerings, such as the so-called initial coin offerings and initial exchange offerings, which are IEOs, stating that their mission is to make it easy and safe for people to get around the world to participate in ICOs. But Coinschedule was guilty of bribery. They received payments from publishers in exchange for more favorable reviews. Failure to disclose such payments violates the anti-promotion laws of Section 17B of the Securities Act. Punishment is suffice then. However, the terms of the settlement are quite merciful. Coinschedule's operator is not named in the SEC's charges and will face fines totaling approximately $200,000. That is a piece of cake compared to what Coinschedule could potentially have earned from all those ICO projects. In addition, Coinschedule has managed to enforce that they do not have to admit the allegations but also do not deny them. The SEC has spent an awful lot of time and money cleaning up fraud caused by the ICO hype. Famous figures like Floyd Money Mayweather, DJ Khaled, and Steven Seagal found themselves in legal hot water over the same anti-promotional law. That was all from our side today. Please subscribe to the Asian Crypto Geek channel to stay up to date with the latest cryptocurrency news, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and if it helped you make more informed decisions in the future.